How we doing, everybody? It's the Big Red Ogre here. Just want to say thank you to everybody for coming by, watching the video, checking it out. I'm at the corner of Bayview and York Mills. I'm going eastbound. I'm going to do a quick little walk around to the fire department, fire station we have here. I came by here one time with my daughter. No camera, no nothing, just walked around. They were really nice. They were really cool people. They were really kind. I don't know if it's because I had my daughter and no camera, but it's the fire department, man. I usually don't bother the fire department, but I gotta get some videos out. I gotta get some proper auditing done. You know, I do still strongly believe in standing in front of my building area, my neighborhood, and keeping an eye on my neighborhood and keeping it safe. So this is really cool. So I'm gonna post you guys up on my shoulders for a second. I had to put my cane away, it's easier to operate. Oh, looks like they're hauling hoses and stuff. We might have a good day today. All right, turn the music off for now so I can hear just in case. So this is Toronto Fire Station 122. This is vehicle R122. It's vehicle 25064. They got their customary Dalmatian standing out front. There's Toronto Fire on it. It's kind of neat. They're doing some loading up. Maybe they're unloading. I did see them driving down the street as I was coming down, waiting for the bus. How are you doing, gentlemen? I believe that this is one of the trucks that were at that big fire that I recorded off my balcony. They had like a ton of fire trucks there that day. I went the next day and did a follow-up type thing. It was pretty cool. And these guys are working hard. Oh, there's a guy up top too. Cool. They're hauling. Oh, they're loading the hoses back up. That's pretty cool. That is really awesome. Oh, they're reloading the truck. They must have had something happen, or they were out on something, because they're doing the hoses and redoing the medical kits. I wonder if this is still refilling everything from that fire. Well, that was a couple weeks ago now. I doubt that. Sorry, everybody, if I talk too much. That's just me. You'll all get to learn that as you meet the Big Red Ogre. I got my cane with me, just in case I need it. It's easier for me to record without it. I'm not going to try and get... This says fire department property. No children playing, no bicycle riding. It's all fenced off. It's not a very big department. Not a very big place. Check it out. I'll go stand it back out and get a better shot of the whole building itself. I'll come right back. I'm just gonna walk back to the grass here. There's a complex in behind. That's the fence. I've already come through here. Like I said, I've checked all the signs before. Pretty plain, simple building, 2 bays. I guess it holds a truck in each one. I don't know if it could hold more than one in each. I didn't really see the depth of it. Oh, we got a clothing bank here, which is kind of neat. I'll keep the lady off. She's doing her thing. And this is kind of neat. I'm guessing that's either a kitchen or quarters or some kind of living area, relax area. But they got an Oasis box. I'm gonna do a walk around. The address is 2545, according to that. I don't know if that's a Bayview address or a York Mills address, because it's got a driveway for each one. It's got a driveway coming on. This is usually where they exit out of the station from. So I guess they come in here, drive in through the back so that they're facing out and ready to go. Like I said, guys, this isn't going to be a big long video. Just a cool little video of them checking out me checking out the trucks. I'm going to give them their space. I have a lot of respect for firemen. I've said that in a couple of my videos, or my last video. I really don't want to bother them too much, but this stuff is really cool. That's kind of neat. Yeah, so it looks like they're doing a clean and a reload of the truck. How are we doing today, my friend?
Not bad, how are you?
Not bad. You guys just reloading up the trucks?
Yep.
Nice. You guys out on a... I saw you guys coming down. Were you guys out on a call or something? Or? Oh, okay. Good, mechanical. Keep them up and running. I like that. That's awesome.
You're good, baby.
That's a pretty cool. Gotta try and stay off the driveway, out of their way. I just get a shot in the... How you guys doing?
Yeah, we're doing all right. What do you do?
Not bad, not bad. I just want to say, you guys did an awesome job with that fire a couple weeks ago, that big house. I was watching it from my balcony, and I went down the next day to check it out. But I live at the corner of BAYVIEW and 401 in one of the buildings. And I was watching. We saw it go up about 5 minutes before the call went in.
Yeah.
And it was just odd to see and how big. I thought it was a couple of houses, not one house. Me and my friends were on the balcony checking it out. But I videotaped the whole thing. I put it up on my YouTube page, on my YouTube channel. It was pretty neat. But I'm not going to bother you guys too much. I see you guys are busy. I just wanted to come say hi and do a little walk around. I appreciate you guys. I got a lot of respect for anybody who can run into a burning building, or anyone that'll put their life on the line to save somebody else. So, right on. All right, everybody. It's hard to get a good picture of the front because I got the fire truck right there. You know what? I think that might make a thumbnail. I'll hold that there for a second or two. Wonder if I can get it in with the Toronto Fire Safety. Maybe I get the whole station. There we go. There we go, everyone. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Thank you again for coming. Thank you for stopping and watching. Please like, share, and support. I appreciate all that. Big Red Ogre signing out.